This Century 21 Real Estate Alliance property video is presented by Sungmi Seo DRE number 01737262. Rare Mid-Century Modern Co-op Townhome by Eichler. Spacious 1,564 square feet is thoughtfully planned out 4-bed, 2.5 bath, a large living dining combo, kitchen with breakfast nook, laundry upstairs and ample storage spaces, 2 patios in front and back for your outdoor enjoyment, garden-like setting with water running pond and back patio, exposed beams, bricks, floor-to-ceiling windows and skylights to satisfy your thirst for mid-century charms, well-managed community with large pool and children's play area, a must-see. For more information, review the details below.